Have you ever wondered what Exodus 28 means? Let's dive into the verse and its significance. In Exodus 28, God commands, "Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy." This commandment is part of the 10 Commandments. It emphasizes the importance of dedicating one day a week to rest and worship. By observing the Sabbath, we show our trust and obedience to God. Taking a break from work and focusing on spiritual refreshment improves our well-being. Sabbath is a time to recharge mentally, physically, and spiritually, fostering a healthy work-life balance. Allah, honoring the Sabbath, also reflects our faith and trust in God's provision. The Sabbath is not meant to be a burden, but a gift from God. It provides an opportunity to reconnect with loved ones and create meaningful relationships. By setting aside this sacred time, we prioritize our relationship with God above all else. Sabbath observance allows us to appreciate the blessings God has given us and practice gratitude. The Sabbath is a reminder of God's creation and His rest on the seventh day. It teaches us the importance of rest and restoration in our busy lives. On the Sabbath, we have the chance to reflect on our actions and seek forgiveness for any wrongdoings. This verse serves as a reminder to respect and honor God's commandments. It encourages us to take a break from our daily routines and dedicate time to worship and spiritual growth. The Sabbath also serves as a reminder that our identity and worth come from our relationship with God, not from our work. It is a day to prioritize our spiritual needs over our earthly responsibilities. Observing the Sabbath fosters unity and community as we come together to worship and fellowship. It is a time to find joy and peace in the presence of God and a break from the pressures of the world. The Sabbath reminds us to trust in God's provision and not rely solely on our own efforts. It is a day of rest, reflection, and rejuvenation for our mind, body, and soul. So let's embrace Exodus 28 and experience the blessings of honoring the Sabbath.